Hello everyone, my name is Akshay and today I am sharing my presentation about 12th day challenge from IDC, and today's topics are regarding regular expressions, and in that I'll be discussing about RE module and pattern matching, and the challenge for today is to validate Gmail addresses using regex, that is regular expressions. So when we look at the topic, so if I have to cut short the topic, today's topic, that is regular expression, so it is nothing but how we use control F if we want to search any particular word in a article which is written which is mentioned on a Word document or any other similar documents. So if I want to search for any particular value or any particular word, then what I do is I'll do control F and then I'll try to find out the value, and if I want to make any modifications, then I'll do it and I will take the necessary actions. So this is just similar to that in programming. So regular expressions, regex, are powerful tools for pattern matching and text processing. Python's RE module provides functions to work with regular expressions. So regular expressions are powerful tool for pattern matching, searching, and validating strings like emails, phone numbers, passwords, and etc. Okay, and what is my RE module? So it's a built-in Python module for working with regular expressions, and it helps in searching, matching, replacing, and validating patterns in text. And if I look at some of the basic functions in RE module, uh, so they are like this: re.search to find the first match anywhere in the string. Okay, re.match to check pattern at string start, re.find all to get all the matches in a list as a list. Okay, and re.find iter, so it returns iters of match objects. So re.sub replaces matches, and re.split to split string at matches. Okay, so if we look at the examples, so here I am importing my RE module. So I'll be explaining it on another platform called regex 101. So here I have a simple sentence, that is my name is Akshay, I am a data analyst and a digital marketer. My phone number is, this is a random number that I have taken. Okay, so you can see here are some quick references. Okay, so if I want to check for any if I want to extract this number from this article, so what I do is I'll just try to explain. Okay, if I do \d, then I'll get all the digits, all the match information. So you can see 999. So if I do it 2 times, so here I will get all the two digit matches. Okay, if I do it, let's say 5 times, so here I get, these are 10 in numbers, so I'll get 1 time 5, 1 time 5. Okay, so in order to simplify this, what I can do is I'll write 10. So in this way I'll get my complete number with 10 digits. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my text. Okay, my name is Akshay. I'm a data analyst and a digital marketer. My phone number is my random number. So here I'm assigning my patterns is equal to slash backslash d. I have written 10 in that. Okay, so if I try to run this, then I will do I'll instruct to re dot find all. So whatever the numbers with the 10 digits, that this program will try to find out. If I run this, then I'll get the output as this. So I'll consider the same example. Okay, so here I'll consider the same example. Here you can see that I have two numbers. My phone number is this one, and then I have also mentioned the different number with hyphen in between. Okay, in that case what I can do is, if I want to try that out, so here it is 3-digit number at the beginning, and then a hyphen, and then a 3-digit number again, and then a hyphen, and then a 4-digit number. Okay, see here you can see that I am able only the number with hyphen is getting highlighted, but if I want to choose both of them, what I can do is I can say use the OR operator, that is any of the condition should follow. Okay, so we have seen this in previous example. If I do this, if I follow both the patterns, then I will be able to select both the numbers. So here I am using the same example. So my sentence, this is my sentence, and I am using the 10-digit pattern and also 3-digit, 3-digit and 4-digit pattern. If I try to run this program, then I'll get the output as the number which has two different patterns. Okay, and let's look at today's challenge. Today's challenge is to validate Gmail address using regular expression. So here I'm importing my RE module, and if I want to see, you consider see here are some emails that I have mentioned for example purpose. So we can take any example. It will be having alphanumeric values, and then there may be a chance that it can have underscore, and it may have dot inside it at the beginning, and then it will be having at without miss, and then we will be having our gmail.com, yahoo.com, and if we look at some government website, then it will be gov.in, gov.us. so this kind of email addresses that we usually see. So here I have written a simple program to identify the Gmail addresses using regex. Okay, here my pattern is A to Z, that in this is small letters, capital A to Z, this is this will identify the capital letters, and then the number 0 to 9 is for my integer number. Then I have my dot, and then I have my underscore. So if I want to extend that and add it to the another condition, then I'll use plus at gmail and then .com. Okay, then I'll be using backslash then .com. So if you want me to check with this, I'll just just try to show that. See, here you can see that my test.user@gmail.com is a valid one because it comes under a valid one. Okay, and john123@gmail.com is a valid one, but here I have a you know invalid email address, that is invalid under hyphen email@yahoo.com. I am not considering Yahoo because the target and the challenge is to consider Gmail. Okay, and here I have my no at symbol.com. Here I have dot starting dot at gmail.com. So here I am using a for loop for all the emails in emails this list. If re dot full match pattern inside the bracket pattern comma email, then printf, it's a valid one. If it is not a valid one, then print email invalid Gmail. Okay, if I run this, so all the valid emails will be mentioned as valid Gmail, and all the emails which are invalid will be mentioned as invalid Gmail. So this is my presentation about today's topics, that is irregular expression. So kindly share your feedback, and if you like my presentation, then kindly share your love by liking the video and commenting with some good feedbacks. And if you feel that I have to improve on my presentation skills, then kindly share your feedback, and I am open for collaboration. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can message me and contact me at any time. And thank you so much for your time, and have a good day ahead.